Unlocking Your Potential, a comprehensive guide on how to make money introduction. In this ever-evolving world, there are countless opportunities to earn a living and achieve financial stability. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking to diversify your income sources, this comprehensive guide will provide you with actionable steps to make money and unlock your true earning potential. Identify your passion and skills. To start making money, it's essential to identify your passions and skills. Think about what you enjoy doing and what you excel at, as this will greatly increase your chances of success. Once you have identified your strengths, you can brainstorm potential income-generating opportunities that align with them. Explore online income opportunities. The digital era has opened countless doors to making money online. Take advantage of freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr, where you can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Consider options like content writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, or online tutoring based on your expertise. Start a side hustle. If you have spare time outside of your regular job, starting a side hustle can significantly boost your income. Evaluate your interests and hobbies to find a niche that has market potential. Whether it's creating handmade crafts, selling vintage items, offering photography services, or starting an e-commerce store, a side hustle can bring in additional income streams. Invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies has become increasingly popular, offering the potential to grow your wealth over time. Extensive research and education in this field are crucial as it involves risks. Consider learning about fundamental and technical analysis or seek guidance from financial advisors to understand the market and make informed investment decisions. Embrace the sharing economy. The sharing economy has revolutionized how people make money by enabling them to monetize their unused assets or services. Explore platforms like Airbnb, renting out your space, Uber or Lyft becoming a driver, or TaskRabbit offering a variety of services to maximize income potential from your existing resources. Turn your passion into a profitable business. If you possess a genuine passion and conviction for a specific niche, consider turning it into a profitable business. Conduct market research to identify the demand for your products or services and create a solid business plan. Leverage social media platforms and e-commerce websites to establish your brand and reach your target audience. Continuously learn and upskill. In today's competitive world, it's crucial to stay relevant and adaptable. Invest in acquiring new skills and knowledge that align with current market needs. Attend workshops, enroll in online courses, or join professional networks to enhance your expertise and increase your earning potential. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel